What's going on here?
Hey, look, while Yarny's away,
Yeah.
I've placed an order.
What did you get?
A box full of Monte Carlos.
Monte Carlos. What about the old Kingstons? He's joking. Look at the size of this. What is it? We don't know what it is until the boys get it
Nah,
in.
we won't know till the boys get it in.
Well, I'll tell you what, it's a surprise. I thought we'd just come into work today to do the right thing, and we've come in here and he's got something else happening. He's gone away and he's left us with this big surprise.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, geez, I can't wait till we open it up and see what's in there, eh?
Absolutely.
Righto. What have we got here, Craig? What's going on here?
Beast.
It's a beast?
Come in. Keep coming. Keep seeing it. Keep coming forward. Good.
Winning?
Yeah.
No.
You have to be careful. Slowly.
Running speed.
Slow.
Running speed.
This one?
Yeah, so when you can't get out, tell me. And we'll just
This one.
get in that side.